PF रक्कम भरप ही दर कंपनीची जबाबदारी आसा. ज्यो कंपनी PF भरिना तांचेर कारवाय जावप गरजेची म्हण मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
मिस्टेक येयल्या बातमी की 8 कंपनींक फायन मारल्या PF भरूना म्हणून वर्करांचो.
Okay.
सो तुमकां कितें खबर?
No, but I am saying if PF is a must, no, what companies basically got to follow the rules. And the department must have taken action on that.
आणि कसं खंयची आसा तुमच्या हितून?
So I didn't have any meeting lately with this thing because I'll be having a meeting tomorrow with the commissioner. Not on that issue, but on the other issue.
Which issues are tomorrow meeting? Which issue will be?
Tomorrow is the workers. We are supposed to form this thing, a committee on that, on the board, the fresh board which was not existing actually. We are supposed to incorporate it.
Labor welfare.
Not labor welfare board. There's another workers board or some board is coming.